What about eating? What did we learn about eating? You probably should eat before you come.
Oh yeah, definitely. Maybe like 2 meals before you come. If I have breakfast and I'm exhausted right now.
It's practically dinner time.
Yeah.
All right, we're in the master. This was a bedroom over here, and they took the wall out. But it also means the bathroom is all part of the room. And that's a negative from what people are saying today. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
And who are the people who didn't like it?
Women.
Why is that?
Because I think for every girl in their bathroom comes a lot of accessories and clutter and stuff, and I feel like women wouldn't want to wake up every morning and look at all that clutter.
See, I wouldn't have thought that.
Yeah.
Do you think we should do something about it?
If we don't do anything about it, I think whoever buys it will do something about it.
Yeah, and I think, given that the likely buyer of this house is going to be a couple, that means a woman's probably going to come in here and say, this is not satisfactory. Either I'm going to lowball this guy, or I'm going to walk. I'm not interested. How about that one lady? She said it's wrong. So we're going to, and this is part of Kayla training. This would be where you would tell your client, let's go ahead and put a wall in right here to help your chances, because this is going to end up being more than just a friendly suggestion. It's going to be a deal killer for some people. And if all we got to do is put in a wall right here, which was already here, and just put that wall back in here and close this off. Alright, talk to the seller. He agreed. Let's fix it. We're going to put in that master bath wall and then hit the open market. Nice idea, really. Kind of by accident. Have an open house before you go on the MLS, test it out a little, and you find stuff like this that, hey, it appears to be an obstacle. Let's fix it before we go on the open market. I'm Jim the Realtor.
We're not looking too good.
Yeah. I should have told you, that's part of the learning curve of a new realtor. You have to eat before open house. Otherwise, you're doing this.
God, cranberry cocktail juice, man. And when there's no one around, you can just think to yourself, what am I going to eat as soon as I get out of here?